Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this glorious eye makeup using this fabulous by Terry palette. It's got a pinky kind of smoky vibe to it. It's very juicy and beautiful, and this will actually look good on everyone. So try it out. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button, my friend. If you want to learn from a pro makeup artist of 16 years, I'm going to show you some cool tips and tricks all around beauty that are easy to follow, that are real, all that jazz. So yeah, anyway, enough about me waffling on. Let's get to it. So I've got this Sweed pencil. I'm going to take it along the lash line. This is a really lovely textured pencil because it's quite a powdery texture, so it's not too wet. And it doesn't set really quickly. You know, sometimes when you get a pencil that sets too quickly and then the edge goes a bit funny, this doesn't happen with this at all. This is a Spectrum A13 brush. I'm keeping that close to the lash line, just blending in a back and forth motion, beginning to pull it up to the crease, and you can see how quickly and easily that blends. And already that gives you an instantaneous smoky eye. And I'm mainly keeping it to the outer corner of the eye because I want to keep the depth there. That brush just blends it so beautifully. But I'm using this by Terry VIP Paris palette, and I'm taking this pink shade here. And I'm going to apply that to the lid. And pink is a really fantastic colour that works on so many skin tones. It's really flattering. It works on so many eye colours too. So I'm taking it 3/4 of the way across the eye. And this has quite a creamy, dense texture to it, so actually this would work really well with fingers as well. You want something quite firm with this, or else you might struggle to get the colour out. But it is really densely pigmented, you just need that firmness to the product. Then I'm going to go to the slightly salmon colour. So I'm going to introduce this about halfway across the eye and kind of mirroring that same motion that I did before. And everything I'm doing, I'm really pulling it out. This will give that eye the kind of feline vibe. And now I'm going to go to this darker bronze, and I'm going to take that in a more of a stamping kind of eyeliner motion, mirroring the shape I've created already with the eyeliner. I'm going to take that underneath. What's lovely about these kind of metallic luminescent textures is that they blend so easily. Now I'm going to get a clean brush and just blend all of that through, and I'm keeping it to like a back and forth motion because I want to keep this colour really controlled. I don't want to blow it out too much. Now I'm going to go to the matte brown here and just use that right on the edge. I'm on the edge of glory. Don't know why I burst into song there, but I did. Go back to your clean brush, do a back and forth blend on that edge. I'm really pulling the eye out, opening it up. And talking of opening it up, I'm going to use this Sweed pencil to really brighten up the eye. And this is the shade Bright along the waterline. This deposits really beautifully. Can you see that difference? Just opens up the eye. I'm going to curl my lashes, holding it to a 45-degree angle to the eye. Pumping it right the way down the lashes. I think I said, but these are Tweezerman lash curlers. And the goal is you almost want to feel them touch your brow bone. Right, so I'm going to go in the Sweed mascara. This is a new discovery and I'm loving it. It's got a really interesting wand on it, which is like a comb. So you get really close to the root application of product. And it's such a fantastic long wear formula. Great for anyone who struggles to get mascara really close to the lash line, but also if you've got really fair lashes. I'm just going to put the mascara on the outer corner. Don't do that, because if you do, you leave it to dry, and I'll come back to that. That's so annoying. What happens when you can't really see what you're doing? Ignore that, because it's not. I can feel it's not dry yet. So now I'm going to go in with lips to finish this look off. So I'm just going to wipe any balm down. I'm just trying to get the lid off that. This is a Victoria Beckham lip pencil in number 3. I'm just pumping up that bottom lip a little bit and that top. Only doing it in the centre. Can you see the difference? If you take it right the way around, it looks quite clowny. I did a little whistle. I like to press lip just to soften. Love these liners, Victoria. I love them. I love them. Thank you. Thank you. Then I'm going in with the Lancôme Rose Nude lipstick, shade number 6. I mean, I think this eye detail really finishes the whole thing off. So cute. Right, so if this does happen to you, let it, I don't know if it's dry yet, but let's see. See how that just flicks off like a dream. Use a paper Q-tips. Get mine from Superdrug. Let me just check it close up, see if I've got everything. This is the brush I used for my foundation earlier. I'm just going to blend that together. Go back to my eyeshadow brush that had the darker colour on it and just blend that all through. And honey, we're ready. We're ready for June, is it 21st? Yeah, this is being filmed during a global pandemic, and that's when England officially opens. But don't hold me to that, because that might change. Who knows? Anyway, this is the look. What do you think? I've loved doing this with you, so thank you so much for joining me. I upload videos every Sunday. Do comment. I do get back to you all. And yeah, until next time.